My dear friends, welcome to Art Magic. I'm Amelia. I hope you're having a good day, but it's going to get better. Want to do something fun? Here, let me show you some creative magic. You'll love it. So, let's go.
First, let me draw a tub. Let's start flower drawing. Is anybody guess which flower it is? Do you like it? Now let me draw the leaves. Wow, it moves. Now let me start the butterfly. Wow, her eyes also move. Do you like it? I love to draw, it's my favorite. Let's start the coloring. I am loving. Do you also love to draw? Please tell me. Enjoy the coloring and drawing. Try it at your home. Ask your friends also to join you. Now you can also teach them how to draw a tub with flower.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.